a U.S. or global recession before the year end as a little bit more likely than it previously did, a 35% chance versus a 25% chance previously. But still, that's a greater chance that it won't happen. The bank puts a chance of a recession before the end.
Bringing an end to an awful day in the stock market, the Dow Jones Industrial Average lost more than 1,000 points. The Dow, along with the Nasdaq and S&P 500, had their worst day in 2 years. The selling began in Japan, where the Nikkei had its worst day since Black Monday 1987. European stocks down hard too.
Yesterday, everyone was tearing their hair out, screaming about an inevitable recession. Today, we realized we aren't getting much evidence of recession, at least from the corporate world, so the Dow gained 294 points as we climbed
Global markets remained jittery on Monday after fears of a faltering U.S. economy spread around the world.
This was expected.
The sell-off started in Asia, with Japan's Nikkei suffering its biggest drop in 37 years. European stocks also fell sharply, followed by dips in the U.S. markets. Even gold, typically seen as a haven during tumultuous times, slid downward.
Well, are we scared?
Are you?
I really don't know what to think. I mean, I'm not really scared because, I'm focused on where we're going. But there is a lot of fear in the market.
There is a lot of fear. Regarding the recession, if you see the GDP, so one of the indicators of a recession is a 2 negative GDP quarters. We don't have that yet.
So, GDP has been going up for the last 3 quarters.
Yeah, it has been going up for the last 3 quarters. So we don't have that scenario from this indicator. But there are other scenarios like, the job market, the labor report.
Inflation
and all that. Inflation is coming down though. The labor report is the one that really pushed the market down. But there's more fear, guys. The fear hasn't stopped yet, has it?
No, it seems like...
what if this happens?
A lot of fear. Oh, hopefully not. But that's another big fear in the market right now.
Yeah. This week.
Is Iran going to really attack Israel?
Yeah.
And if it does, then we come into a full-blown war. And that's gonna be very damaging for the financial markets.
Yeah, overall. Entire world. Yeah. Look at the fear and greed index. It's now at 25. It was at some point it was 13, 14 also at some point, but long time back. But this is really fearful.
Yeah, I think it's everything culminating in all this fear, right? It's all the financial markets, like what happened to the yen last week. It just seems to have everything come together at once.
All at once. And we have this, the SEC never leaves the ETF people alone, looks like. So now they're saying that Morgan Stanley is trying to push the ETF to its high net worth clients and says, oh, that's like a death wish.
Yeah, but you can have a look at that as a positive too, that Morgan Stanley are pushing, crypto, Bitcoin to the their high net worth customers.
Yes. Yeah, you can look at it that way. Yeah, that's right. But I was just saying that the SEC never leaves you alone, even though they have approved an ETF. But it is what it is, right? The SEC. And so if you now look at Bitcoin, so this is our halving, right? After the halving, now Bitcoin right now at this moment is 59,136. So guys, we are here. If you compare to the previous market, we are here. You are here. So if you compare, so this is the exact position where you are. You got a long way to go. We have put some indicators here on when we think would be the peak of the bull run on this chart. We'll keep displaying this chart in our show whenever we display Bitcoin so that you guys know.
For now, you just have to have conviction in your coins.
Yeah.
And I think Bitcoin will range.
Have conviction in your coins, and Bitcoin is going to range. Bitcoin is going to range, I think, this month. And then once it crosses 69.70, that's to Valhalla.
Yeah, and then, historically, August is known as a slow month.
It is. It is. Yeah. August.
So, it'll range, but, keep hanging there. And the other thing we have is the American political situation.
Oh, yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So the American political situation, it's changed drastically from 30 days 30 days ago, we thought it would be a landslide for Trump, and Trump being the pro-crypto president, it all looked good.
It all looked good until Kamala not even catch up to him, but went ahead of him.
Yeah, so she's like 52% in the polls.
Yeah. But I think that should, for us, for cryptocurrencies, yeah, it does, because Trump was very vocal about his acceptance of cryptocurrency. Kamala is not. But it's not, the day is not far when you will see Kamala say something positive about crypto.
Well, if she comes out and endorses crypto, I think she'll have a lot of cryptoites on her side. She just needs to say something positive about it. She doesn't have to lay out a plan or anything.
Yeah, she just has to say that she's not against it. If she's not for it, she's not against it. That will make a big difference to the crypto market.
Yeah, I think so. Everyone's just, all the cryptoites are just waiting to hear Kamala Harris's position on crypto.
Yeah. And looking at our crypto market, so today the market cap of the entire crypto world is 2.09 trillion. And we are here, guys. The last bull run, we were at 2.82 trillion, the entire crypto market. So we are like close to 1 trillion down from the last bull market. So as I'm saying, it's a long way to go. So if just hold on, you don't have to keep watching your screens and watching the charts.
So, but what do you think, though? I mean, should we buy the dip? Or should save some dry powder for another dip? Is it going to go further down?
I don't know. You cannot time the market, but
so the best way around that is DCA.
Yeah, that's the best way.
Right? In your conviction plays.
Yeah, days like this, you always DCA. Look at our portfolio. I mean, we are down as well, 55%.
So it's ranging. It's still got conviction in all our plays there.
Yeah.
I think, by the end of the bull run, there will be significant gains there.
Exactly. Yeah. By the end of the bull run, you'll see, let's see, we all are seeing, monitoring this portfolio. So we all are seeing this portfolio. So let's see how this goes. And that's all.
Yeah, that's all we have for today. Keep strong, keep diamond-handed. It will turn. Once it goes, it will go very quickly. So don't sell. Keep your conviction plays.
Don't sell now, guys, because you guys are selling, and the retails always sell. They always get scared. They always run away from the market. This is what we did the last bull run. We just sold everything.
Never sell in the red.
Yeah, never sell it in the red. Never sell it. Have strong convictions, DCA, and just hold on. Just hold on.
Because you will see upside very soon.
Yep. On that note, have a good day, guys, and we will see you in the next video.
Yep. See you next time.